Hey everyone, been a while, so I thought I would try some inducing, see how much I can get out. Oh, excuse me. It's frustrating because I used to be able to do this a lot more effectively. Back in the day, like going back like 10 years now. Fuck, has it been that long? But it's definitely more effective if I take breaks. So that's why I don't upload as much as I'd like to, especially now that I live on my own, and I could do this whenever I want. So it's like nice irony that I can't. I'm getting so stuffy. But as you can see, by waiting, it definitely makes it a little more effective. But also, you can tell I have stopped sneezing as much, which is annoying because I love to sneeze. So there it is. Sometimes it just gotta hit that sweet spot. And unfortunately, with the close tag, that seems to work pretty well. So let's see how much more I can get out. Okay, I think that's my last one. I'll skip the nose blowing. I don't know how much people actually like that, but maybe I could do it another time. Just let me know. Bye.